Konverge is a software development company located in the heart of downtown Toronto. Konverge has been in business for 25 years. We established ourselves back in 1994, and originally we started out as a website design company. And throughout the years, we have changed as technologies changed, and we've pivoted as a company as well. Everyone that works here is very client-centric, and all we want is to make sure that our clients have an amazing experience with us. And you have a combination of people who are passionate, who love innovation, who love coming to work every day and creating and building awesome new things. Hey, hello everyone, we're back. It is Tuesday afternoon, and my name is Sonia. I'm Managing Director at Konverge, and today I'm here with Roxroy, our Development Manager, and we're going to be talking about QA, quality assurance, on a software project. Welcome, Roxroy, again.
Hi.
How are you today?
I'm doing fine, thanks.
Good. So yeah, let's get right down to it, right? So, can you tell us a little bit about first, what is QA?
Okay, so QA really is the role where our testers or QA team is actually checking to see, does the function of the application match what the developers, the customers ask us to develop? So it's a really crucial role in that they're actually looking to see, are we delivering a high quality software that provides the functionality that our customers are looking for, whether it's a desktop, mobile, or even a web application. We're testing all that to evaluate that all the functionality meets the requirements that the client is looking for in order to provide the services the client wants to be able to deliver to their customers or themselves internally.
Okay, so that's sort of like the role, and how important is that role in every single project? And what happens if you don't have that role?
Okay, so the whole idea behind QA is that we want to be able to verify the accuracy of the program. We want to be able to deliver the application that clients are looking for. QA role is the function that ensures that what we're developing is what the client is looking for. So it's critical that this is actually done early in the project cycle, because it provides a good guideline, not only to the customers as well as the team, as to whether the client is actually getting what they're looking for.
So can you walk us through some of the processes that a QA team would have to go through on a project to test that project and make sure that not only it's been built to spec, but also there are no bugs, which is something that's very common when QA is being done. So can you walk us through that process a little bit?
Yeah, so it actually starts a little bit earlier, because in order for QA to be able to determine what they're going to be doing, what test cases they're going to be developing, what scenarios they'll be building, they first have to have the requirements. So our QA team would work, or actually, let's say our BA team would meet with a client in order to determine what is it how the project should function, and with that document, the QA will now take that on to be able to look at to say, okay, now I understand exactly what the client looking for. They may evaluate to see, are there any gaps within the requirements, so that something can be added or clarified in order for us to create, a more solid application.
Right. And what are some of the documentation that QA would need in order to really do that thoroughly?
Mm-hmm. So we start with our SRS, software requirement documentation, that defines exactly what the program should be doing, as well as we have mockups of what the screens will be capturing. So that gives a visual idea of what functionalities the system would be. One second here. What functionality the system would be performing. So
Right.
they need a document in order to be able to create their use cases, as well as test cases and test scenarios that determine exactly how do we test the functionality, both negative testing as well as positive testing, happy path as well as a not so happy path, just so that we be able to spot all the various bugs or defects that could crop into our program